Hey Soap fans, we got some major news that's shaking up the Days of Our Lives universe. Billy Flynn, the man who brought Chad DiMera to life for nearly a decade, is saying goodbye. But don't worry, he's not leaving our screens for good. Stick around to find out where he's headed next. Hey, I'm Jock. Welcome to Soap Shenanigans, where drama never sleeps. New year? Welcome. Returning? You know the drill. Let's dive in. Billy Flynn first stepped into the role of Chad DiMera on Days of Our Lives back on September 12, 2014, replacing Casey Dedrick. From the moment he arrived, he made the role his own, becoming a fan favorite and a key part of one of Days' most beloved super couples, Chad and Abigail. Flynn had incredible chemistry with both actresses who played Abigail, Kate Mansi and later Marcy Miller, proving his versatility and talent as an actor. Now, with his departure, the big question is, will Chad be recast? As of now, there's no official word. If the character isn't recast, Chad might leave Salem alongside Kat, but if they don't bring in a new actor, it could make sense to give Chad a short break before reintroducing him with fresh energy. But here's the exciting part. Billy Flynn isn't going far. He's making the jump to The Young and the Restless. His role hasn't been revealed yet, but we do know it's a newly created character. So what kind of drama will he bring to Genoa City? We'll have to wait and see. And here's another surprise. Because of Days' advances filming schedule, we will still see Billy as Chad all the way into 2026. So what do you think about Billy Flynn's exit? Will you miss him as Chad? And who do you think he'll play on Young and the Restless? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's talk about it.